Hello, and welcome to this 25-minute exercise routine designed to teach you some gentle yet effective exercises that you can do while lying down. Kara and Allison will be showing you different levels of difficulty for each exercise so you can pick and choose what works for your body. Begin slowly and stop if you feel any pain. Most importantly, let's have some fun. Before we begin with the exercises, let's take a moment to check in with the body. Lie down with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your lower abdomen and take a few deep breaths in and out. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe. Relax any obvious areas of tension throughout the body. If there are any exercises you would like to skip over during this program, you can always come back to this relaxed position and breathe deeply. Doing some deep belly breaths like these is in fact great exercise. Let's begin with the arm raises. Keep your knees bent and feet flat on the floor and rest the arms by your side. On your next inhale, reach your arms up and overhead. Exhale and slowly lower your arms back down. Go only as high as is comfortable for you and try to breathe throughout the entire movement. Inhale up and exhale down. Relax through the face and neck. Good. Last one. Great. When you're done, relax your arms down and take a breath. When you're ready, bend your elbows and touch your hands to your shoulders. Reach your elbows up, begin to circle the elbows. Do 3 slow circles in one direction and then reverse directions. Breathe. Good. Relax the arms back down at your side. Next, hug your right knee into your chest. Slowly circle the knee and the hip 3 times in one direction and then the other. To make it easier, use a rolled up towel or strap around the thigh if you like, just like Allison is doing. This movement will lubricate the hip joint, keeping it healthy and mobile. To the ankle joint now, circle the ankle 3 times one way and then the other. Great job! Hug the right knee into the chest and hold for 3 to 5 breaths. For more stretch, you can straighten the left leg along the ground. Breathe in and breathe out, relaxing through the low back and shoulders. Good. Now bend both knees and rest your back on the ground. Take a breath before we do the same sequence on the other side. Draw your left leg up into the chest. Circle the left knee and hip 3 times in both directions. Breathe in and breathe out. Very nice. Good. Breathing Now circle the left ankle 3 times one way and then the other. Hug your knee into your chest and breathe deeply, at least 3 to 5 breaths here. Straighten the right leg along the floor for a deeper stretch. Good. Hug both knees into the chest, using your hands like Kara, or a strap or roll towel under the thighs like Allison. Depending on how your back feels, you can rock gently side to side or stay simply still and breathe into the stretch. To increase the intensity, exhale and bring your forehead towards your knees. Hold for a couple of breaths. Breathing and exhale and release. Gently place your feet back down on the mat and keep your knees bent. Let your arms rest at your side or extend them out in a T shape. Inhale, and as you exhale, let both knees gently fall to the right. You can turn your head to the left for an additional stretch. Take 3 to 5 deep breaths into the twist. Relax the shoulders down towards the ground. Inhale, bringing your knees back to center. Exhale as you let the knees fall to the left. Look to the right if it's comfortable and take 3 to 5 deep breaths. Shoulders relaxed downwards. Breathing into the twist. Find the edge of the stretch and ease off if you feel any pain. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. Inhale and bring the knees back to center. Take a deep breath and release any tension from the face, neck, and shoulders. Now we're going to stretch the right hip. So cross the right ankle on top of your left thigh. Open the right knee out to the side. You should feel a stretch in the right hip now. If you already feel enough stretch, then stay in this position and breathe. Otherwise, you can gently rock the legs back and forth to lubricate the joint a little more. And to increase the stretch further, bring your hands or a strap underneath the left thigh and draw the leg towards the chest. Breathe here. Breathe slowly. Deep breaths in and out. Good. Exhale as you release and uncross your legs. Take a breath before repeating this on the other side. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. You may notice that one hip is tighter than the other, so listen to your body and open your left knee out just until you feel a stretch. Breathe here or gently rock side to side. Then if you can, reach for the right thigh with the hands or a strap and draw the legs toward the chest, breathing deeply. That's it. You're doing a great job. Exhale as you release and uncross the legs. Place the feet on the mat with the knees bent and your arms at your side. Time for some abdominal work. Inhale and gently arch your low back away from the ground. Then as you exhale, draw your belly button in and press the low back into the mat. Contract the abdominals. Hold and then release. Inhale deeply again, and as you exhale, pelvic tilt, flatten the low back into the mat. Hold, and then release. Do 3 more of these pelvic tilts at your own pace. As you do your 5th pelvic tilt, lift the hips up off the mat. Keep the knees over the ankles. To increase the intensity, you can raise your arms overhead. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, lower down 1 vertebrae at a time. Do 2 more pelvic tilts with hip raises at your own pace and level, keeping the movements slow and controlled. And when you're done, rest the arms at your side and you can continue to breathe. The next exercise will be single leg raises to strengthen the muscles used in walking. Start by straightening out the right leg along the ground. Draw the toes towards your nose. Inhale and exhale, contract the leg muscles. Slowly raise the right leg up. Inhale and slowly lower the leg back down. Good. 4 more times. Exhale up and inhale lower. Exhale up and inhale lower. Exhale up and inhale lower. Good, you can do this. Now bend the right knee, then hug the right leg up. You can use a strap or your hands to hug the thigh in. Next, straighten the knee as much as you can until you feel a stretch to the back of the leg. Pump the ankle by flexing and pointing the toes a few times. Breathe into the stretch. That's great. Now slowly lower the leg back down and change sides. Place the right foot on the ground. Bend the right knee. Extend the left leg along the ground. Draw the toes towards you. Inhale and exhale, lift the left leg up. Inhale slowly to lower it down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhaling down. Great. Listening to your body this entire time. Now bend the left knee. Using a towel or your hands, hug the left thigh in and straighten the knee as much as you can until you feel a stretch. Pump the ankle a few times and breathe. Nice work. Slowly lower the leg back down. Bend the knee and place the foot on the ground. Take a breath here. Roll over to your left side. Bend your left knee and straighten your right leg. Keep the right hip, knee, and ankle in alignment and the right toes facing forward. Inhale to get ready, and as you exhale, lift the right leg until it's level with the right hip. Just a small lift. Then inhale, lower down. See if you can do this at your own pace 5 times. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. Inhale, lower. Good. Well done. Time to change sides. Roll over to your right side. Bend the right knee and straighten the left leg. Check to make sure your left hip, knee, and ankle are in alignment and the toes are pointing forward. Inhale, and when you exhale, lift the leg up so it's level with the hip. Inhale, lower. That's it. Keep going. 5 times at your own pace. Exhale, up, and inhale, lower. Next, we're going to work the spine, so make your way to your hands and knees. Keep your shoulders over the wrists and your hips over your knees. Inhale, look up and gently arch the back. Shoulders draw back away from the ears. When you exhale, draw the belly button inwards and look down and round the back into a C shape, pushing into the hands. Inhale, look up, and exhale, look down. Inhale, look up, arch the back. Exhale, head down and curl. Inhale, look up, draw the shoulders back. Exhale, round the spine. Great. Last one. Almost done. Stay on your hands and knees. The next exercise is fantastic for your back and legs. Draw your belly button in, keeping your spine in neutral position, and lift and strain your right leg back behind you so it's level with the hip. Stay here and hold for a breath. Or you can reach your left arm forward and up. Breathe and bring it down. Good. Change sides. Lift your left leg back. Keep your belly button drawing in towards the spine to keep your back safe. If you can, reach the right arm forward and up. Nicely done. Breathe and relax down. Let's do that one more time to each side. Lifting the right leg straight back. Keep your head looking down. Then lift the left arm up and hold. Good. Release down. Last one. Lift the left leg straight back. Raise the right arm forward and up if you can. Breathe. Keep the abdominal strong. Don't let the back arch and lower down. Look towards your hands and take a step forward with your right foot. Bend the right knees to 90 degrees and make sure your knee is not going beyond your ankle. You should be able to see the tips of your right toes. Hold here. You should be feeling a stretch in the front of the left hip. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax the shoulders, relax the face. One more breath, and now slowly place your hands back down on the ground. Good. Let's move to the other side now. Take your right leg back and step your left leg forward. Make sure you can see your left toes. Hold when you feel a gentle stretch in your right hip. Keep hands on the ground or bring them to your left knee. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. One more slow, deep breath. Well done. Find a comfortable seated position now. Sitting tall. Roll your shoulders back and down. Slowly bring your right ear to your right shoulder. pause here, feeling a stretch through the left side of your neck. Inhale, bringing your head back up, and drop your left ear to the left shoulder. Hold and breathe deeply. Very nice. Feeling that nice stretch. Enjoy this feeling. Slowly inhale back to center. Now tuck your chin in and look down towards the chest. Breathe and take a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Enjoying the stretch. You're doing great. Inhale and bring the head back up. Congratulations, you've completed all the exercises in this routine. It's time to take a few minutes to relax. Find a comfortable seated or lying position and close your eyes. Take a moment to acknowledge any sensations, feelings, or thoughts that are present after doing these exercises. Now feel the points of contact your body is making with the surface beneath you. Notice the position of your arms and legs. Feel the weight of your head and the curve of your spine as you rest in a relaxed position. Bring your attention to your breath. Breathe in deeply and feel the air fill your lungs. Hold your breath for a moment. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth, feeling all tension and worries leave the body with the exhale. Relax your stomach and your chest. Let your entire body sink more deeply into a relaxed state. Let your breathing be comfortable and effortless. Just relaxed, easy breathing. Relax through the forehead, eyes, and jaw. Let your arms and legs feel heavy as you let go of any remaining tension. Feel free to stay here as long as you like. Thank you for joining us today.